more people.
Where do you think this is from? Could be, yeah, could be a shovel of some kind.
Hi guys, welcome. My name's Miss Liz. I'm a marine debris artist. So today, you guys are 1 out of 14 classrooms that are going to be working on this project. We are going to be filling in this canvas with the plastics. It's a lot like coloring, if you've ever colored in a coloring book. I want you to pay attention to the things that you're finding and see if there's things that you recognize. And also maybe think of some solutions to how we can try to keep some of this stuff out of our oceans, or how we can replace this plastic with more sustainable options.
The Art and Ecology Workshop started in 2023 and is the brainchild of Liz Roberts. She worked for over a decade cleaning up marine debris, and she felt like the message had to reach a broader audience and a younger audience to help stem the tide on marine debris.
I chose to work with marine debris as a means to spread awareness and education on the issue of plastic pollution in our oceans. I love working with kids to create art because I feel like I get a little more out of it than they do. It's just the way that they look at things. They sometimes see things in a way that most adults don't. I kind of live vicariously through them.
So not only did they create a mural, but then we added a second station where they had a marine debris game. And then at the Plover's Writers Workshop, the students write the story of Zaya, who is a male snowy plover who has successfully fledged several years of snowy plover chicks near Seaside. To create art that's impermanent is a way to both learn about art and become an artist, learn about marine debris, and I want the students to leave knowing that and experiencing that they don't need to possess to be able to have joy.